Hello, Liliana. My name is Samantha. I'm reaching out with Feed Me Leads. I reached out to you guys a few days ago and I said that I was going to be sending over the screencast. So here it is. I'm going to keep it really short and sweet. I'm just going to go through your site a little bit, your competitor's site a little bit, and then I'm going to give you 3 free ways that you can actually use today to start bringing in more traffic through your site. So typically I send these screencasts out and business owners will often get back to me once they've seen what I do, how I do it, and how much work is put into it. And they decide that they want to team up. So if you watch this video and you feel the same, then please get back to me. So without further ado, let's get into it. So right here, we're on the Servicemaster restoration site, which obviously has been done by a professional. It's very, very good looking. It's great how this comes out too. It's a great site. The one thing that I would definitely say is we're going to need to add more content to this. So Google basically ranks your site based off of over 200 different factors, and one of those key factors is going to be content. So you want to have around 1,500, at least 1,000 keywords on your homepage. And I looked it up, and you guys actually have 839 words. So we'd want to add some more content, and we'd want to make that content educational, valuable. So basically, Google's going to read through this and they're going to determine whether this content is going to provide their users with the information and the services that they are looking for. So we definitely want to add more content to this and put some more relevant high traffic keywords in there as well. So number 1 is content. Just add some more content because this is really already a very good looking site. Let's see. So right here, I'm going to be using this keyword today, mold remediation Sacramento. This is a really good keyword. It brings in around 250 searches per month. So this is definitely a keyword that would be good to be ranked for. So at the top of the page here, you're typically going to see Google ads. They aren't on for this keyword, but Google ads are a good way to kind of get some quick people coming into your site. It's not going to be the best way though, but it's a good way to kind of bring in some traffic while you're waiting for your SEO to warm up. And below that, or where they would normally be, we have our Google Map Pack. And so here you have to be top 3 to make it to the front page now. I don't know if you remember, it actually used to be 5 a couple years ago, but they switched up the algorithm on us. So now you have to be top 3. The way you do that is you're going to get citations, high quality citations, which are basically just when your business and your business info is listed among different directories around the web. So you want to have really high quality trusted ones. So like Yelp, Yellow Pages, Yext, and we want to have more of them than these guys have. So we would look and see what citations what sites, different directories they're getting, what citations they have, and we'd want to match and then beat those. Also, we can note they have a lot of good reviews, so that's also another thing we want to look at. So right here at the bottom, this is going to be by far the most important. These are our organic search results, and Google has come out and said that over 70% of people, when they type something in, they're going to be clicking on one of these. And so you really want to be at the top. And so to go over it, this guy I was checking out earlier, this is going to be your number 1 competitor because Yelp, those kind of directories don't really count for the organic search results. So here I went through, and this guy has a pretty good looking site too. So I actually went through and I did a word count on his site as well. And so he actually has around the same amount of words as you do, but he has some more like keywords in there. So that's why he's getting ranked more. They find it to be more relevant, I guess. And so how you're going to get up here is you're going to want to have a lot of high quality relevant backlinks. So basically a backlink is just a shout out from one website to another. And so you want to get these shout outs or backlinks from relevant high-powered sites, so like a popular, trusted local realtor or plumbing company that would refer you, that kind of a thing is going to be really useful to your site versus a restaurant or some clothing store or something that doesn't really coincide with what you guys do. So we want to get high-powered backlinks and a lot of them. So if you guys do end up trying to do this on your own, I would definitely suggest getting this. This is called ahrefs.com, and it's around $400 a month, but it does provide a lot of great content. So as we see here, this guy has a lot of backlinks from a decent amount of referring domains, and they rank for 255 keywords. So we can actually click on those. So he ranks for a lot of keywords. You can see what position he ranks for each keyword and how much volume those keywords bring in. So he ranks pretty high on like a couple really valuable keywords. So this would be a good way to kind of go through and see what keywords you would want to be ranked for, which ones bring in the most traffic, which ones have the highest volume. And now to go back, we can do this exact same thing with their backlinks. It looks like he went down a little bit. So we can look at this and we can see which ones have a high DR value, how much traffic they bring, and kind of go after these for your site and see which ones would be good. And so you can do this yourself, but you're going to want to get over, now it says 2,995, but you are going to want to get a good amount more than those because you want to completely blow them out of the water. So you want to get more backlinks. And so now we can actually look over at yours. And so you guys have a decent amount of backlinks. You have over 1,000, which is a good amount. Only from 39 referring domains though, so we would definitely want more websites linking back to you guys. And also we can take a look at the keywords you're ranked for. And so you guys are ranked pretty well for like a decent amount of keywords, but as you can see, the keywords that you're ranked for don't actually bring in a lot of traffic, or they don't have very many people searching for those things. Like most people aren't really looking up, restoration companies in my area like you saw before. They're looking up mold remediation Sacramento, or there's a few other ones that bring in a lot. And so also I can see you guys are ranked for some more national type keywords, but you're going to want to be ranked specifically for Sacramento. So here you have mold remediation, but you're number 22. You've gone up a bit, but you're going to want to focus on more high traffic keywords. So that's definitely something I'd pay attention to in getting more backlinks. So that's basically what I have for you today. So to kind of recap what we talked about really quickly is number one, you're going to want to get more high quality educational content on your page. And number two, you're going to want to get more citations to beat out those other guys to get on one of the top 3 spots to rank on the Google Map Pack on the home page. And then lastly, you're going to want to get more backlinks. Definitely more, you want to beat out the competitor. And you're also going to want to not just beat that guy out, but there's multiple keywords that bring in a lot of traffic, and you're going to want to beat out all of the people ranking for those ones too. So it is quite a lot that you have to do, but it is definitely doable. The competition is not too stiff, so you could definitely make it happen. And also another thing is you definitely want to start going after the more high traffic keywords so that you guys could be on the front top page for all the best keywords. So those would be my suggestions for you today. If you liked what you saw and you'd like to get in touch, please reach out to me via email, or you can give me a call at 714-975-5909. So I hope that you found this useful, and whether you try and do this on your own or do it with me, I hope that you found this video entertaining and helpful. So enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you.